So, and the palette I'm gonna use is the Tarteist Pro palette. That's what it look like. It's really pretty. So let's just get right into this, okay? Y'all already know. I already primed my lids. I already did that. I already did my eyebrows off camera. So let's get into it. Okay. I can't see it. I'm blind without my glasses, and I don't have my contacts in either, so. Yeah. So, yeah, we're just gonna do it like that. Put it in our crease like that. Put it in our crease. I'm just gonna extend this out a little bit. Just like that. A little fluffy brush. And we just gonna deepen it up a little bit. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. So now we're gonna go in with a black eyeshadow. And the only black eyeshadow I have is from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. You can use any black shadow that you have in your arsenal. Okay. It's just a black shade, nothing special. So I'm gonna take this angled small fluffy brush. Other eye. I'm gonna be right back. So now we're going to take this shade and I'm gonna put it on the inner corners of our eyes. Eyeliner. We're gonna make a wing. You know what I'm saying? Like that. So now we'll move on to the face. Okay. Take this LA Girl concealer in medium beige and conceal before I conceal, if that makes sense. I look like a fool. So now I'm gonna blend this out. So now I'm gonna take the Milani. Oh no, I'm not. I'm lying. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me loose setting powder in 25. We're doing powder first, and then we're gonna go in with foundation. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect in Natural Tan. Now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in honey. Y'all probably can't see it, but it's in honey. And we're gonna contour today. I don't usually do that, but this look, we need the snatched face for this look. Look at me, like it's hair. It's not hair, it's a vomit. Anyways, so now we're gonna take the Airspun Loose Setting Powder and Naturally Neutral. I'm gonna put on the side of my nose to get that snatched look. So now I'm gonna contour with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toast. It's in Toast. To, what you call it? Contour. I'm gonna take my contour brush. So now we're gonna go back into that loose setting powder just to really get that line, you know what I'm saying? So now we're just gonna go on the jawline. I'm gonna take a beauty blender just to make sure it's all blended out. Alright, so now we're gonna take this Maybelline Fit Me in 330, and we're gonna take a brush. Is this a brush I use? Yeah, this is the brush I use. And we're just gonna, you know, do this. Put this all over my face. I'm just gonna wipe this off first. So now, yeah, we're gonna take it and put this all over my face. I'm gonna put it down here because I don't want to be white right there. So now we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. bronzer palette. Take a fluffy brush. Going with the second blackish shade. And yeah, we're just gonna do that. Yeah. Lash Paradise. I think this is by L'Oreal. Take this NYX Jumbo eye pencil in black. I'm gonna go under my waterline with that. We're gonna smoke this out. I'm gonna use this brush first just to smoke it out a little bit. So now we're gonna take that black shadow that you have. I'm gonna lightly dip into it. So now I'm gonna just clean it up here. So now I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. So we got our eyelashes on. So now we're gonna highlight with my Sephora Luminizing palette. And I'm gonna take this shade and this shade, why not? Now for lips, we're gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. I can't read it because I'm blind, so you're gonna have to check the description box for the color, but it's really pretty. I think it said rum, if I remember. So we're just gonna put this on our lip. We're gonna spray our face with the Morphe setting mist spray. I'm about to put on my wig, and I'll be right back, and we'll be done. And boom. Okay, we cute, we is cute. So this is a finished look or whatever. I really like it. Like, meow. Don't come too close, I might just scratch. Anyways, yeah, I'm feeling this look. I feel like I need a fan blowing in front of me. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this little video or whatever. And yeah, this look is fire. This look is cute. We cute. We got a contour. Like, do you see the do you see the cut? Anyways, so comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell, and yeah. Hold on. I hope you come back to see me again. Bye.